Hi, I'm Old Sneelock, taking another step down the path of workshop organization. I wanted to put outlets on this panel, and push came to shove and things just didn't happen. So I decided best thing to do is just bite the bullet and get something started. So yesterday I took one of my 20% discount coupons down to Harbor Freight, got an outlet strip that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 outlets. More than enough to handle all the computers and devices that I've got on this little studio bench. And hopefully that'll keep me going for a while. Oh, and I got the free tape measure too. Cord will be coming out of the top, which isn't my favorite. It's going to have it on the left hand side closer to the outlet and a little bit more trim. Well, if nothing else, having it on the back wall there has convinced me I need a shelf back there. It's very convenient being able to put things up off the top of the bench. But at least now, I'll be able to use my computer without having 101 cables laying all over the place. The plug-in strips that mount to the wall don't rattle around and get every time you want to pull a plug off, you have to hold it down with one hand and pull the plug with the other. This way, I can just move this around one place or another with no problems and keep right on working. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments below. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.